Hello, my YouTube channel. I don't know how else to start this, but we're not doing a candy review.
We
We are opening
Pokemon
a
cards.
shit ton of Pokemon cards. We went to how many Targets did we go to
We
today?
went to 3 different Targets.
Targets.
2 different Walmarts.
2 different Walmarts.
And a GameStop.
We went to 2 GameStops.
And then
one
we
only
went
had
to
one.
Books A Million.
And we Books A Million. So we spent a lot of the day. Oh my gosh, dude.
And there's about that much over here as well.
We got mostly not Vivid Voltage. We got mostly Chilling Reigns. And we got some Vivid Voltages. Like, oh my gosh. This feels like crazier to hold than money. Like, I'd rather hold these in my hand than actual, like, $100 bills. Alrighty. Who's going first?
I guess I will. Open this.
You liked Vivid Voltage more, so shouldn't you get another Vivid?
I mean, if you want to give it to me.
I'll trade you a Chilling Reign for a Vivid.
No.
Alright. Sheesh. God, I swear, we better get a VMAX. If I don't get a VMAX, dude, it's like an insane card. I'm gonna lose it, bro. It's like give the card packs to grandma to open. Yeah, for real. This is.
Am I struggling? There we go. I just opened it from the bottom.
Come on, dude.
What's that?
I'm hoping for a. What am I hoping for? Okay, so you turn it over. What is it? 1, 2, 3.
I'm just hoping for a VMAX.
You're just looking for a VMAX?
Yeah.
Start with energy. Lame. We only care for the last 3 cards. Really, the last card.
The last 2, I think.
Last 2, yeah.
Eevee. Ooh, bad.
I don't believe it. I'm not gonna believe it.
Oh, I get a holo. Yes.
Hey, yes, sir.
Ooh, that's like, I think, isn't that legendary? Yeah, I think it's legendary.
What the fuck?
Oh. What is that?
What?
It's gonna be some trash card.
Number 231 out of 198, so it's a... Look at that. It's like golden sparkles all over.
Yeah.
First card pack was great.
There's a bag over here.
Look at that. Oh, so shiny. So shiny. It's so very shiny.
That's so much trash.
I need to put this immediately in a sleeve, bro.
Where's your open card? Where's the box for your open one?
I don't know what I just got, but it's freaking crazy.
I'm gonna take my holo out.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like good cards over here.
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, yes.
Even though reverses aren't that good, I'll still keep them.
I don't know. I got this weird-ass energy card for my first one. That's crazy.
Just got this holo shaman there.
Nice. Nice, Caesar Chown.
So what did I open each other in or Vivid Voltage? Okay. I opened Vivid Voltage.
Alright, so then I'll go to a Vivid Voltage now.
I'll probably
wait.
I'll open a Chilling Reign, yeah.
Okay.
Do that.
Come on. There we go. Jesus. It took like 6 years to get out.
I'll have to go through these cards again and see if there are any rares that you missed. Because, I mean, some do have rares.
Dude, I suck ass at opening
good?
this. Even though no one's gonna.
Yeah.
Fuck, I can't open this shit. I'm not gonna fart. Oh.
You said what?
Huh? Come on, bro. Please. Got it.
This guy.
It's not like you. To stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psych. Yeah.
The trainer.
Yeah,
What the
yeah.
Wacky.
Yeah. I ran out of storage.
We're back.
I ran out of storage.
Let's continue.
Yes.
Lapras.
Cotton, mother frig.
Nothing. Oh. We have to do this fast. This is going to be rushed.
Yeah, for real.
Because we don't know how much storage he has left.
Probably about 15 minutes. Probably about 15 minutes. Well, we're gonna do it like it's 10. Just in case. Oh, I got one of those like weird art ones. To shop it, and it's like outside during like a snowstorm or something.
Like an alt art.
Yeah, it's like a weird looking art. Card. Ticket. I don't want it.
Card.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, trainer. Another trainer. Okay. Another one of those chef. Oh wait, no, this is the one I got in the beginning. Ghastly.
Trainer.
Reverse.
Oh, is that a holo?
Nope, I did not hit a
that's
holo.
not a holo.
It's a reverse.
That's my cards.
Dude, was it a holo? Oh, reverse and one last card.
Nothing.
Nothing.
That was really voltage, so I'm gonna do my last one.
Oh, come on, dude. Ugh. If anything, if I can't do any, like, if I can't put the videos together, I'll just do part 1, part 2. Hopefully does not come to that.
You need to organize your cards.
We're organizing.
This whole
Oh,
table's
yeah,
gonna be
legal.
full.
One, 2, 3, 4. Got a steel energy, I think.
Ooh.
I can't wait to watch One Piece. 982, baby. All these cards are irrelevant.
Oh, is that a holo?
Damn it, dude.
Is that not a holo?
Non-hollow.
With your luck.
My luck's so hey, at least I got that golden energy. That could be worth $1 million. You never know.
Reverse energy. Oh!
Yo! That's whoa. What is that?
It's slash V. It was out of not Chilling Reign.
Aegis Slash. Isn't that a legendary Pokemon?
No, it's just someone from what's it called? Sword and Shield. Just a base. But that was from my Vivid Voltage pack.
Hi, cutie boy.
Hey, I chose right in that Vivid Voltage.
Lincoln, come on, get in the video. Everybody wants to see you, cute ass dog. Damn.
Man's making noises.
Yeah, for real. Chilling Reign time. Oh my gosh.
I keep on like showing the last card because it's like slips. I don't know.
Oh, you're good.
I can't even see it anyway, so
Yeah.
so small.
Come on, move out of my way, Snover.
Come on now.
So glad Lincoln hasn't tried to eat any Pokemon cards.
He's hungry.
Water, energy, nobody cares.
Food.
Bread.
Bread. Hopefully that's 4. If not, oh well. I think it was like this.
Reverse, obvious.
No.
I haven't gotten like a single.
He's unlucky.
I still got that energy, bro. I'm cool. Hey, I got a spiral energy. Fuck. As a reverse spiral energy, that looks cool as hell. It's probably worthless, but
I'm not feeling lucky about this as a reverse.
oh, 2 in a row.
I was like, I'm not feeling lucky about this pack, but it's a leopard.
Damn, my man. You're actually pretty lucky. You've gotten
You
2.
got that. You got no luck. You haven't gotten it all. That's all.
That's all I got.
You
But hey,
haven't
Nick, you
gotten
never
a
know.
haul
That thing
yet.
could be worth a few bucks.
Yeah, it could be.
It's not even a Pokemon, so you know it's probably trash.
An energy.
It's an energy, which
I
is
think some people do like energies though. So. I mean,
anyone wanting to spend $1,000 on my shitty Pokemon cards on eBay.
what's this energy? If you don't get lucky, I'll give you one of mine.
Oh, that's alright.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Not even VMAXs and these, it's just these.
Fighting energy.
Books
That
and
guy looks like
VMAX.
Giorno. Not Giorno. Golden Experience. This is a Requiem.
Code card.
Come on, please give me something good. Please. Reverse. I still can't get a holo. Not even a single
I
holo.
feel so bad. So bad.
Oh my god, bro. This is just not fair.
Energy.
I have 5 packs left. Watch, I swear, if you get another V, if you get another Mega card or whatever.
The reverse. Nope.
That's the normal pack.
Abra Snow.
Isn't there something called like a God pack?
I don't know.
Look at all these Pokemon cards.
You're gonna get lucky. I know you will.
I know, I might. Just maybe, just so I can make my boys proud. By the way, shout out to Mason, Abra, let me in a Jolly Rogers, please. Come on, please. Shout out to Joe Mama. Shout out, oh, what's his name? Oh, Look. Is his name like Look? Oh, shit. Shout out to Gay. And, oh, shout out to Cabbage. My boys. I feel Leak. I think it's Leak. Shout out to Note. Shout out to Death. Basically, shout out to the Jolly Roger Discord. Y'all real ones. I mean, the Jolly Roger. Give you a Pokemon card. Hey.
What Pokemon card did they want?
No, give them the reverses that nobody likes.
What is that? Oh, the reverse.
What if I make my mom open a pack? She'll get something like insane.
Just okay.
Take it. Reverse. Not. I can't even get a holo. What is this luck? At least I got that weird shiny card.
What shiny card? Oh.
The gold Requiem. Gold Experience Requiem.
Got 2 packs left.
You have 2 packs. Oh my gosh. Technically you have 3 since you haven't opened them.
What it one? Oh, this one, yeah, I guess.
Come on, Shilling Rain, bro. We went to so many stores today getting all y'all. Come on, bro.
I think the only VMAXs are the Vs I've gotten are Vivid Voltage. For real. If I have to go with those.
I get a rainbow card. If I get a rainbow card, I will genuinely I will run around my room, run around the basement right now.
Run around the room.
I'm gonna kill myself. Not a holo again. I gotta fucking Mareep. Oh my lord, bro. Watch, sir, if you get a fucking VMAX or some shit. Oh, I thought it was black. I Mr. Rage. Come on, please. I'm Mr. Rage. I'm Mr. Rage. I'm Mr. Rage. 1, 2.
I'm feeling good about this pack.
I don't feel good about any of these. I feel actually, you know what? I have a good feeling about this one. I actually have a good feeling about this one. I feel it in my gut. I feel it in my butt.
Don't say that.
Don't. I take that back. That was kind of sus.
Oh, a trainer.
Oh shit! It's a full art.
Is it?
It's a full art. Holy shit! Oh, finish yours.
Oh.
Oh, I got a full art of this Brawly guy. I can't wait to look at all. I can't wait to look up the prices of these and find out that we spent about a collective $100 and got about $10 profit maybe.
No. Who spent that? Who spent that? Not me.
Finally, a fucking full art, dude. Awesome. Now I don't have to cry myself to sleep. Tonight.
Both of mine are full art. No. Are they? No, these aren't full art. Come on, last pack magic.
Last pack magic, coming clutch.
What pack are you on?
I'm on second last.
Come on, give me something good.
I missed the rage. Come on. I'm about to rage if we don't get some more shit. Just give me a rainbow. If I get a rainbow full art, I'll be set for life. I'll die happy. If I get a good card in this one, I'm not even gonna open up the last one. I'll just give it to my mom and tell her good luck, have fun. Oh, that song's in my head.
Oh,
Reverse and...
Oh!
Yes!
Blaziken! Oh my god. That's a good card.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Last card magic.
Last pack magic.
Yeah!
What'd you get?
I got a VMAX.
Oh. Who is it?
Galarian Slowking VMAX.
dope.
Yo!
You got-
Bro, Chilling Rain is not the shit. Honestly, the
What was that?
Vivid Voltage. I'm literally getting all of these cards from Vivid Voltage. Oh, yeah. This
No,
is
you
what I'm
used
trying.
Chilling Rain on that one, I was gonna say.
Oh, let's go. You're going to give me a pity card. Is that just V or a VMAX?
It's a VMAX, I'm pretty sure. No, it's just V. V. They're all Vs.
I got a VMAX.
This is the haul for today. And one hollow. Which I will also prove up. Oh no. I like how we went into this not even like expecting only to get one.
Yeah,
But,
and we've gotten multiple.
5.
Yeah. So far we've gotten 6 rares, 6 specials. 6 specials. Not even a hollow. Not even a single hollow.
I've got no.
Oh, you got a hollow, yeah.
You haven't gotten a hollow.
Last card magic. Last card magic.
pack magic.
Last Patrick.
Last Patrick.
Lost Patrick.
Lost Patrick.
Last Patrick. I have a good
Let's see
feeling
here.
about this one. You know, I have a good feeling about it. You know, I have a pretty good feeling about it, you know.
And yeah, I mean, you could even go through these cards because some of those are rares.
Yeah, but like, if they're not,
I mean, they're not as good as opposite.
I have a good feeling about this. I have a really good feeling about this. I have a really good feeling about this. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Last pack.
Come on.
Magic.
Is that the reverse?
All right, my storage ran out literally on the last card. Literally on the last card. I freaked the fuck out. I got what I was looking for, a Tornadus. I got a full art Tornadus. This was all I wanted from this. At least just one Tornadus. It's all I wanted, a Tornadus. And I fucking got a Tornadus. Let's go! All right, so I probably spent around $50 I made about $55 back. This card that I got right in the beginning on its own is worth like $40. This energy that I was like didn't really give a shit about. The Tornadus was like $3. I still don't care. Tornadus is literally my favorite like Pokemon. This dude's worth like $7. So yeah, and then this guy's like $3. Just a little update video. So let's see, 40, 47, 50, $53 return. Pretty good. What was your total?
Not much.
Shit, dude.
I think it was like $10.
Oh.
I mean, if I keep it, it'll all go up.
Yeah, if you keep it, it'll go up in value.
So passive income.
Passive income. Choose the passive income option.